Hello guys, my name is Rajesh. Recently Apple has launched iPhone 14 series. In that they have come up with one of the new UI feature which is known as dynamic island. People are loving that this little pill gives you information that you can see. It's actionable and interactive. It's great use of space and easy to use. This pill can resize and give you a habit notification and live widgets right at the top of the screen. So I will create this prototype in Figma. So let's get started. You just have to click on this pill, it pops out, and you just have to decline or hang it up, it goes back. That's it. So we will create this transition in Figma. So what are the elements we require to make this prototype? First we require the icons, then we require this device. So I will add both this downloadable link in the description box so you can download it from there. So at the first we need a profile picture. Okay, so just hit O. It can be 20 by 20. Add this circle in the dynamic island folder. Make it center horizontally. Bring it to the left line, or we can make it 20 by 22. 20 is fine. So double click on this. So if you want to check the alignment, you just have to click Alt, so you can see, like, if you select pill, so yeah, alignment is okay. Then I want to add a profile picture here. So there are multiple options there. Either you can download the plugins of UI faces, or you can add the image from here also for profile picture. And the last option is place image. So just go to the download. I have my profile picture, open, just near circle, just place it. That's it. Other than that, we require a name. Okay, so I will add my name, Rajesh. Left line, put it here, make it small, so I will make it 8. And I have used SF Pro text because by default in Apple we use SF Pro text. So if you want the SF Pro text, I will link down below that also, so you can download it from there. Make it 100%. So it will take the precise size. Now make it medium. Copy this, change the name into incoming. Okay, left line. Now both bring it to the center. Give some different family like regular, and change the color, or you can change the opacity. Like what I do, I will change the opacity from here, make it 80%, 60%. Yeah, now it's looking different. Bring it here, center. So in this pill, so right now we will take these two icons. Okay, so Control C, Control V. Now make these two icons small by holding Alt and Shift. Bring it to the right hand side, behind that there is a camera, but we will reduce the opacity so it will not harm anyone. So yeah, it's look good. So in this dynamic island folder we have uh, the profile picture, text of incoming and the name, phone buttons, then there is a camera, and at the last behind that it's bill. So what we do now, so we will remove these two from the group, decline and answer, both will be outside of the group. So bring it here. Yeah, it's looking good. Now what we can do now, select ellipse, the profile picture, incoming Rajesh, decline and answer, and make pass through 0, like so. What will happen now, it reduce the opacity of everything, like nothing will be there. Okay, so this will be the folder. So please add all the things in the dynamic island folder. So now copy this, either you can do by Control D, or you can use like holding Alt and Shift, it will copy. Now for the end state, so this will be my starting state, this will be my ending state. So now increase the size of the pill from width, bring it to the center, and by the height also. So this area you will see it's crop out, so just you have to select on the status bar, hold down Control, that's it. So what I do now, holding Control, bring it here. Okay, make it roundish. So now make this thing into the roundish, so it should look like this. Basically this thing will pop it out. So make this thing like 50. Wait, it's divided, just click it here, so it will apply on everything. 50 by 50, or make it 100 by 100, bring it till here. Yeah, now it's looking good, it's proportional from every side. Now click on the profile picture, make it 100%, bring it here and increase the size, like for example take it 50 by 50, bring it to the center. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Or make it 60 by 60. Yeah, now it's looking good. Again the center. Now bring both the text incoming and Rajesh, make it 100% opacity from pass through, bring it here, make the font size into 14. So Apple default size for the font is 14, make it 80, so 70, sorry. So for this incoming, so it will differentiate both the text, and bring it here. Yeah, it's looking good. And the last we have decline and answer, make it pass through 100% and increase the size. For example, make it 30 by 30. Oh sorry, just you have to click it here first, constant proportion, so it will give the proportion size to both 30 by 30, or make it 50 by 50. Yeah, or 40 by 40 is perfect. For decline also same thing, make it proportion 40 by 40. Yeah, it's looking good. Now bring both the icons at the right hand side. One thing I can do, it's looking too big from the height, we can reduce the size of the height. Yeah, it's proportion. Yeah, it's looking good. Bring everything up, bring it center. That's it. Now you can center it from here, center it from here. For this also center it from here. Now the design is complete. So what we can do now for the prototype, first you have to select this start state. Now you just have to select the pill, go to the prototype. For the animation, just click on this pill, drag this pill to this screen. After that you have to select on click, navigate to the second screen, animation. So from here you can choose smart animate. Then from here either you can choose quick, bouncy or ease and out back. So we will try different things for this transition. So first we will try ease and out back. Okay, now you just have to double click on this decline or the hang up, drag to this screen to the start state. Okay, from the end state to the start state, to go back to the start state. Now just click on this flow. So it will take time to load, little time. So your screen is there, so you just have to click on this pill. Yeah, it pops out. So you just have to hang it up, it goes back. So what we do now, we will try different thing for this, in this state, in this line, for in this arrow basically. So you have to click in this arrow, ease and ease out back. So we can try quick. So you can see, so basically you can't see major difference, but you can see that if you grow it here, just it how it comes, pops up and it goes back after your decline. So we will try another feature, bouncy. Let's try how it's look. Click this, decline. Oops, it's too bad, it's not looking good. So we will use only the gentle, we will try gentle also. So just click on this, hangs out. Okay, it's looking good. So at last we will use only that not smart animate, ease and out back. It's looking good. Yeah, click here, it goes back. So yeah, you have created one of the dynamic element feature. It's very easy and you can play with it. Okay, so you can use different things from here. You can increase the seconds also, 400 millisecond. Click it here, it goes back. Yeah, 400 millisecond is perfect. Yeah, cool. So just create whatever you want, call notification, Bluetooth connectivity, music player, confirmation notification. So just play with the smart animate however you wish. So you will get more used to the animation in Figma. If you have any suggestion or if you want to connect with me, you can find my Instagram ID in the description box. If you want more designing tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.